An object of mass 1 kilogram is thrown downward with the speed of 6 meter per second. So velocity will be negative 6 meter per second from the height of 20 meters. So when it is just about to hit the ground, at this moment its velocity is negative 20 meter per second, or the speed is positive 20 meter per second. So in this question you have to find out, as it was falling downward, how much energy was transferred to air. So one thing is very important: when why the energy is transferred to the air, it is due to the negative work done, because work done is also called transfer of energy. So as you see that as the object is falling downward, this is a drag of the air that is continuously pushing it upward, whereas the displacement is vertically downward. That's why the work done should be negative. And moreover, because according to the work energy principle, you can find out this by subtracting the total energy initial minus the total energy final, or the final energy minus the total energy initial, because its answer must be negative. Total energy initial must be greater. So let's find out. So initially, when the object was falling down at the time t is equal to 0, when it is at a height of 20 meter above the surface, above the reference, the total energy at this point is the sum of the kinetic energy, because you have thrown it with some speed, plus, let's say, 1 over 2 mu square, and mgh. This is the gravitational potential energy. So plugging the values, speed is 6 meter per second, mass is 1 kg, g is taken as 10 in this question, and height is 20. So that should be 36 over 2 is 18 joule, plus that should be 200 joule. So the total energy in the start was 218 joule. So some part of this energy is transferred to the air due to the negative work done by the drag of air. Let's find out the final energy. When it's just about the hitting the ground, at this point the potential energy has become 0, but at this point it has the kinetic energy. So how much is the kinetic energy? 400 over 2 is equals to 200 joule. So let's find out the final answer. That is 200 joule minus 218 joule. So answer is negative 18 joule, which means that 18 joule energy is transferred to the air, and the remaining amount of energy is 200 when it is just about to hit the ground. So the right answer is option B, that is 18 joules.